Unveiling the Peace, Understanding, To Bury the Hatchet. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English idiom that carries a rich history and a powerful message. To bury the hatchet. This phrase is not only colorful but also embodies the essence of reconciliation and peacemaking. Whether you're learning English as a second language or simply love exploring idiomatic expressions, this video will shed light on its origins, meanings, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. To bury the hatchet means to make peace with someone or to agree to stop arguing or fighting. The idiom suggests leaving behind any conflicts or hostilities and moving forward in harmony. It's often used when two parties decide to end a dispute and work together amicably. The origin of "to bury the hatchet" is quite literal and traces back to a Native American custom. When tribes decided to settle their differences and live in peace, they would literally bury a hatchet, a tool that could be used as a weapon in conflicts, as a symbolic gesture of their new peaceful intentions. This act was a powerful representation of their commitment to peace. Incorporating "to bury the hatchet" into your language can add depth and expressiveness to your communication. Here are a few examples. After years of rivalry, the two competitive businesses decided to bury the hatchet and collaborate on a new project. It's high time we buried the hatchet and moved past our disagreements. During the family reunion, they finally decided to bury the hatchet and forgive each other. Understanding and using idioms like "to bury the hatchet" can offer insights into the cultural nuances of the English language. Idioms reflect historical contexts, societal values, and collective experiences, enriching your linguistic skills and cultural competence. We hope this journey through the meaning, origins, and usage of "to bury the hatchet" has been enlightening. Idioms like this one are gems of language, offering a glimpse into the history and culture that shape how we communicate. Remember, learning a language is not just about words and grammar, it's about embracing the stories and traditions that come with them. Happy learning, and may you find opportunities to bury the hatchet in your own life and conversations. See you in the next video.